How to change your free gift on TEMU tutorial. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open the app and then click on You at the bottom. Select Earn Credits and Free Gifts. You'll see 5 free gifts. Click on Get Now. Now at the top, you'll see that you have to invite friends and then you'll receive 5 free gifts. So first, go ahead and invite your friends. Once you do that, you'll be able to choose your gift and what you want. At the bottom, you'll see first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Once you select all your gifts, you can click on Confirm. To select your gift, all you'll have to do is click on Pick It, and then click on Pick the Gift. And you'll see that you have picked the first gift, and it allows you to choose the second gift. If you want to switch gifts, click on the gift that you've chosen, and then select this trash bin right here. So it'll say that you haven't picked any item, and now you can choose another gift. So this is how to change your free gift on TEMU tutorial. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.